Welcome back everybody. In the previous tutorial, you have learned about console.log, console.warn, console.error and how to make those in the Chrome browser tool. Now in this session, we are going to focus on the three main sources of JavaScript. The one is called alert, another one is called console, another one is called prompt. Just a minute, prompt. These three sources are mainly used in JavaScript to make the things awesome and easier. Let's try the alert first in the browser to alert something to the client or developer that you have that alert here. Yeah, let's type it as alert, alert, and type it as this is warning for you. Yeah, just save it and refresh the browser. You can see the warning here, just called as alert, alerting in the Chrome browser tool. Not in the Chrome browser tool, it's in the web page called document. You can see the many pages like this are warned when you enter inside the site. There will be an alert called, in this time there will be alert called COVID-19 notice. These types of sources are used by alert property. Now you click OK, that will be disappeared. Now you run. After this, there will be shown an alert in your browser. If you click OK and refresh it, it will click OK. And the next thing is console.log. Console is mean by to consoling something in the Chrome browser tool. Just type it as console.log, and you need to log some value to the Chrome. And if you log some value to the Chrome, the value will be stored in the console of your Chrome developer tool. First, we can see what is mean by console. Right click on the browser and click inspect, or you can click press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. There will be a Chrome browser tool and it will be have a console, element, source, network. There are three types we are going to mainly focus, like source, console, element. This element is mean by what will be the code look like and what is inside the codes that a developer has given in the HTML and JavaScript. In the source, you can see what are the types of source that the developer has upload in the cloud, and you can see the many files that will be stored here with the continuous structure. I have only one file called index.html, so it is showing that the index.html will be appear in this browser. Now I am going to the console tab. It's very important topic in this session. Okay, just type it as console.log. This is logged. Now I'm just making a semicolon and save it. If you refresh this browser, there will be a log called this is logged. This is mean by consoling something into the browser, and it will be stored in the console value. Console, it means Chrome developer tool, and you can console anything like console dot one. In this previous video I have told about the console dot one is like this is one. Now if you save and run this, there will be a warning in the browser. You can click this index.html colon 9. It will show that where is this warning came from, and you can see the warning came from which line of code. There will be a warning in the line of 9. Yeah, it's right, there will be a warning in the line of 9. And there's one more thing I have said already in the previous video called console dot error. Let's type it as this is an error. If you save and run in the refresh and run in the browser, there will be a error that you have created in the HTML file. Don't need to afraid or don't need to worry. This is you have created an error to show that the client this is the error in this line of html file called index.html. The error is in 10th line. And the next property is prompt. Prompt. Prompt is the property to get information from the user, which means I need to get a information from the user called what is your name. Now I've saved and run in the browser. There will be a prompt. It is a combination of alert plus getting information from the user. Now if you type it as Vignesh and click OK, there will be nothing in your file because I have only get an input from the user called what is your name. He is typing called something else, and that will be non stored in any area. If you alerting some values called var name equal to prompt what is your name, and if you're asking something that what is your name and you press semicolon, and you need to log the name which you have received from the client. Now let's make it by a console.io console.log console.log dot what you need to log inside the console. I need to log the name inside the console which I have get from the user. The name is a variable that will be discussed in the future videos called, just type it as name and semicolon, just save it as and refresh the browser. Now if you write some code now if you type some informations that is asking by a browser, if you type it as wikidev, if you enter it, that will be shown in the console. If you need to alert that name by returning the value into the alert, you can type it as alert name, and if you save and refresh it, now you type it as wikidev, that will be an alert and also it will be shown in console. You can change this name by refreshing it. Now I show you hello world. The alert is showing that hello world is an alert. This page says hello world. Okay, this is mean by alert, and the console will be written as hello world. This is the three types of source that is used in the JavaScript to make easier and quicker to make something like awesome pretty stuffs. See you guys in the next video. Signing off from Vicky. Bye.